In this video today, I want to show you a strategy that I've been using and a lot of people I know are doing to make as much as $250 in one single hour. This strategy is absolutely free and it's worldwide, and I'm going to show you everything in this video step by step as to how you can get started, where you're going to get all the information that you need, how you're going to generate this income, and how you're going to get paid. If you want to start making money and serious money during this lockdown and the period that we're in, make sure you watch this entire video because this is a fantastic strategy and you get to help people out. Keep watching. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Money Tactics channel, where I post reliable content every single day to teach you how to make money online. If this is the first time you've come to my channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss out on any time I post a brand new video just like this, and you'll get notified straight away. All I ask that you do is smash that like button in appreciation and go down the bottom and comment. Let me know what you thought of this video before you jump off. Before we get into this strategy, guys, I want to let you know that if you want to know how to make a consistent $500 to $1,000 on a regular basis, potentially every single day, check out this link over here. Go down into my description, click onto this link and check that out. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you out. This is something that I'm doing to make money online. With that being said, let me show you how you're going to make money online with this strategy by helping people in this current climate. So what I like to do from time to time is I like to go onto Google Trends and I like to find out what's trending at the moment and what potential is out there. And I've gone and obviously with the current pandemic that's happening, I went and I had a look to see how the N95 masks were tracking. And as you can see, if I go to the worldwide stats, N95 masks are off the Richter, guys. These people are looking for these masks all over the world. Okay, so how can you potentially help these people get these masks and make some money along the way? But more importantly, you're helping people. And another thing I decided to have a look at is I had a look at toilet paper as well. I had a look at sanitizer. I had a look at gloves. I had a look at personal protective equipment. There is so much opportunity at the moment, and you can help these people because, as you can imagine, we're not allowed to leave our houses. So how can you take advantage and help people and along the way make money online, which is the most important? Now, we all know how efficient affiliate marketing can be and how profitable it can be. So I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to make money online with affiliate marketing with a very simple way. It's absolutely free to do this as well. So the site that I want to show you over here, guys, is called offervault.com. Now, this is a site where you can go to find a whole range of different types of products that you can potentially promote and sell. Now, there's a number of ways that you can promote these products. A lot of the times, people don't need to buy anything. They can go into a draw and potentially win these masks. They can win this toilet paper, etc. All they need to do is provide their details. That's the first way. The second way is they can purchase this stuff. And I'm going to show you how to do both strategies so that you can make money online with affiliate marketing and really double down. Most importantly, as I want to stress, you continue to help people that really need this stuff. So when you come down here, what you want to do, you've got this search bar over here. And what I did was the first thing I searched for is I searched for N95 masks. And what I found was even more exciting for me because I thought to myself, wow, this is excellent. And there's so much opportunity in this that you could really make some good money online with this strategy. And what I found was I found this mask over here. It's called the Child Safe Mask, okay? And this mask you can sell in multiple countries. So as you can see here, this mask costs $25, but this is a mask for a child. I can tell you as a parent, if you want to take your child out in this pandemic and you want to protect them, $25 is absolutely nothing to spend to protect your children. So what I did is I came over here, I clicked onto here, and it takes you over to a page that looks like this. Now, as you can see here, guys, category, e-commerce, retail, and fashion. Lead is $25. This is for a purchase, okay? Countries, Australia, United Kingdom, Israel, Canada, New Zealand, and the United States, okay? Now, we all know that the United Kingdom and United States at the moment can really use these masks, and a lot of people would potentially be interested in buying these for their children, okay? So all you need to do with this particular offer is you need to come over to here and you need to click onto this run offer. Once you click onto run offer, what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to sign up for this affiliates.com company that's allowing you to become an affiliate for them so that you can promote this. Once you do that, it's going to give you a link that you can use, and that's the link that you're going to provide to people. Now, anybody that clicks onto that link, what's going to happen is they're going to see this page over here, and this page over here is the page that advertises that product. This is the link. When they click on that link, this is what they're going to see. They're going to click onto shop now, and they can potentially buy these masks for children, which can protect them obviously against what's happening at the moment. So it's a fantastic way to make money online. But think about this. It costs $25 for one of these masks, which is nothing if you got 1 or 2 kids, right? And these masks last. It's easy to make 10 to 20 to 30 sales at the moment because they're selling out and everybody is looking for them, okay, guys? And I'm going to show you where you can get this free traffic for these types of masks. That's the first way that you can make money online with this strategy. The second way that you can make money online with this strategy, guys, is to type in toilet paper. Now, toilet paper at the moment, for some reason, a lot of people are buying toilet paper. But the problem people have is even though the curve has come down with the amount of people going out and buying this stuff, a lot of people aren't allowed to leave their houses. So how can you help them get this stuff? Well, you can help them by them entering their email address and going into a draw to get some free toilet paper. You also have to remember that a lot of people have lost their jobs. So how can you help these people? All you need to do is you come down here, and as you can see, there's all these different promotions over here, and you will get paid for every single lead. When somebody signs up to this to get the free toilet paper, you're going to get paid $2.50 per lead. They don't need to buy anything. They're just going into a draw to win this. But what happens is when these people sign up and they provide their email address, then this company will in the future send them emails for other stuff that they can potentially buy. And that's how it's worth it for them to pay you $2.50 per lead. So what you want to do is you want to come down here and you can click onto any one of these. As you can see, some are paying up to $2.50, $1.54, $1.52, and all of these are in different countries, okay, guys? So what you want to do, just click onto any one of these. This one over here is paying $1.52. So if we click onto this one over here, anybody that signs up for this and provides their email from the United Kingdom, you're going to get paid $1.52. And all you need to do is keep providing these links, and anybody that clicks onto it, you're going to continue to make this money online. And anybody that does this goes into a draw where they can potentially win free toilet paper. If you've lost your job and you can't get out to get this, getting a free roll of toilet paper is a fantastic way, and they don't need to do much. All they need to do is sign up to this. All you need to do is click on to join network. Once you click on to join network, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. You come up to here and you join this network, and then you can start promoting any offers that these guys have. So it's an awesome way for you to make money with affiliate marketing. But how are you going to get this traffic? Where are you going to do this? Well, I did some little bit of research and I found 2 ways at the moment where the traffic is extremely hot, and you can get started on this straight away, guys. And all you need to do once you sign up to these different affiliate programs is just get the link for this, okay? So the first place that I found is I came over to Facebook and I started searching for stuff like toilet paper. I came over here and I started searching for stuff like N95 masks. And I really wanted to see how you could potentially provide this to people, get targeted traffic so that you can make money online. And I'm also going to show you another traffic source after this as to how you're going to make money online with this strategy utilizing affiliate marketing. So you don't want to miss that. So basically what happens is when you come over to here and you search for toilet paper, you can come over here and you can find groups. Now what's happening is people have created these groups so that you can go here and tell people where they can find toilet paper, how they can get it, where they can get it for free, where they can get it for a discount. And what I found was that a lot of these groups are allowing you to post different links on there because you're there to help people. The other way to do this and to really scale this is to create your own Facebook group, because there's so much people coming on here at the moment and they're searching for this stuff. They don't want to go out, that you can provide your link and you can say that you could potentially get toilet paper for free. Just put in your details and go on a sweepstakes draw. You can imagine how much people would sign up for free toilet paper and then buy some in the meantime. So that's one way that you could do it. You come over here to groups and you can do this. Another place that you can obviously do this is with the marketplace. Okay, if you go into marketplace as well, you could potentially go over here and advertise your different types of toilet paper that you have, or your N95 masks as well. So this works for both strategies. This works for your toilet paper And this works for your masks as well. Now, the masks are $25. So all you need to do is come over to these different marketplaces over here. Okay, so you come over to marketplace, you type in toilet paper. What you will do from there is you can scroll over to here and you quite simply click onto home sales, for example. Once you click onto home sales, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. And this is where you can click on to sell something. And this is where you can go to sell this. Okay, so what you do is you'd come up to here and you'd search for toilet paper. Okay, now the trick to this is, what you want to do is you want to advertise your toilet paper for a really, so this person's advertising it for free, and this could be the sweepstakes, very similar to the sweepstakes strategy. And then all they need to do is enter their details. Now, what happens is when you advertise it for free, you're probably going to come up to the top of this search field because so much people are clicking onto it. So much people are active with this link. So as you can see, this is why this one over here is free. And you can find so much of this, and you can come over here and you can do exactly the same thing. Now, all you need to do from here is repeat this process. You can put in toilet paper, you can put in hand sanitizers, you can put in N95 masks, protective equipment, and you come over here, you click on to sell something. Once you click on to sell something, it's going to give you the option over here to add your listing over here. You can add a photo, and then all you need to do is put all the information in here, and then people will start purchasing this from you, and you will start to make money online. I guarantee you, especially the masks for children, guys, because you can imagine that people are looking for this stuff. They can't go out and buy it, and these are specific masks for these types of situations. Now, I told you that there was another way that I found that you could potentially make money online with affiliate marketing utilizing this strategy. And what I did was I just went out searching on different social media sites. And the one I went to was Twitter, okay? And the reason why I went to Twitter is because when I went to explore over here, what I did was I typed in, where can I find N95 masks? And what this is going to do is it's going to show me anybody and everybody that's been putting in this search term on Twitter. So you go to explore on your Twitter page, you go to the latest post over here and you type in, where can I find N95 masks? And when I started scrolling down, I started seeing people coming on here and literally putting in comments, where can I find specific N95 masks or surgical masks needed in Canada, for example. So you scroll down here and you have a look. Now, we found that when we were looking for this particular product, that Canada was one of those countries where you could potentially sell these masks. So if you come over to here, check this out. So this was a child-safe mask, and this is Canada. Okay, now these masks can work on anyone, guys, but specifically in kids. And this is where you can find people to promote these different types of offers. Okay, and if we scroll down here, these are latest, guys. We're talking, this isn't like old. This is 5 hours ago, 15 hours ago, 16 hours ago, etc. And there are people looking for this every single minute of every single day. And all you need to do is go there and send them a link, show them where they can get it. All they need to do is click onto it, purchase it, and you will make $25 over and over again. And more than likely, tell them to share that link with their friends, with their family, and anybody that clicks onto it. You will continue to make money online with affiliate marketing. But more importantly, what you're doing is you're helping people in this time of need, and you're making some money along the way. It's a win-win situation, and you can start straight after watching this video. So that was my video for today, guys, on how you can make $250 an hour with affiliate marketing in this current climate, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like I said, smash that like button in appreciation. And as always, I'll have another couple of videos that are going to pop up here of different ways that you can make even more money online, guys. Until tomorrow, you stay safe and goodbye.